And gentlemen, you're welcome. My name is Daniel Adeoboye, and in today's video, I'm going to show you something that's very amazing. This is something that you have never seen online before. It is how you can make 3,000 naira, at least 3,000 naira per day with MTN. Now, this method is very spectacular, and it is certain that you begin to make money in less than little time. So all you just take is just 5 minutes, and you begin to make money per single day. I'm going to show you everything. I'm also going to show you how you can begin to push this program or what I'm going to show you to other people so you can earn more money. So let me show you some of my receipts from my Zenith Bank. Now this is a receipt from Zenith Bank, and I did some conversion. So literally what you'll be doing is conversion. So I did some conversion of 6,000 naira and I earn my own money. This person 10,000 naira, I earn my own money. So this one is 35 6,560, and I earn my money on this 12,000 naira and I earn my money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also earn money by just doing simple conversion. It's very simple. Just do simple conversion. I'll show you the website that will do the magic. Your own is just to push your service to other people outside there. Then they come to you. And one thing about this service is that there are so many people that actually need it because it involves human error. Many men and women they do a lot of error nowadays because of the stress, and they are finding a way of relieving themselves of that error. So you will now step in and begin to give them solution, and you make your money. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in learning how to make at least 3,000 naira per day with MTN, stay with me to the end of this video, for I will show you everything step by step. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight into the video. Now I'm going to put a link below. So when you click on the link below, you'll be brought to this website. And in this website, all I'm going to do is just to log in. But you have to actually sign up. You register under this website. So I've already created a video. Just recently, I created a video on how you can actually register using this platform, how you can activate your account. So I'm going to put the video, then I'm going to put the link below. Just click on that link, go and watch that video, because it's very important that you activate your account first. With just 100 naira, your account will be activated. Don't go away. 100 naira is going to activate your account, and you begin to make more than 100 naira every single day. All you have to do is what I'm going to show you in this video. So go back to the video. I'm going to put the video below. So I call the video how you can get cheap MTN data, but in that video I actually explain how you can actually activate your account. So when you have finished registering and you have activated your account, all you have to do is just to sign in. So I'm going to sign in here. So now I'm signing in into my own account, and I'm going to show you how the magic can be done. So presently I'm in my dashboard. So this is my own dashboard there, and my dashboard has been activated. As you can see, the user type has been fully activated. So what I'm going to do here is just to come to the menu. So I'm going to type on the menu and just go straight to the place that you can see airtime to cash. So when you click on airtime to cash here now, so then all you have to do is to convert from airtime to cash. Simple. So what we'll be doing to be able to make 3,000 naira per day with MTN is to convert airtime to cash. Many people make mistakes. For example, someone want to load a card of 1,000 naira and mistakenly load a card of 10,000. Some people mistakenly load a card of 100,000 naira, and they're in trouble because it is something they actually need. They actually need the money. So they begin to go outside there. They go to YouTube, go to everywhere to asking that, please, who can help me to convert airtime to cash? And so many websites and applications outside there is too tedious. Yes, it is tedious, but this platform is very easy, extremely easy. So all you have to do now, let me tell you the step you're going to do. After I register, I've watched the previous video that I put the link below. I have registered. You come back to this video and you have watched this video and you have fully registered. Then you come to your link. You click on that menu, you come to this airtime to cash, then you are going to follow the details here. Now let's say for example I am the one that mistakenly load the airtime. Maybe I load airtime of 25,000 naira. Then I begin to say, who can help me? And somebody now referred me to you. So all what you have to do is to first ensure that I that made a mistake can be able to transfer airtime, because in this platform you're going to send a number to them where they will send the airtime to, and that airtime will now show on your own dashboard here. So when you show your own dashboard, you now do the conversion. It is very simple, extremely simple. So now let's say for example I make a mistake of 20,000 naira, and this platform is going to take 10% of MTN, although there are other networks that is available, but most people actually go for MTN. So other network like you have Glo, 9mobile and MTN, but MTN has less number of people. So but let me just show you how things is being done here. So if for MTN, this platform is going to take 10% of it. So this platform will take 10% of your MTN. Then if it's Glo, that will take 20%, and if it is 9mobile, that will take 25%. So because MTN has large number of people tends to use MTN a lot. So for example, this platform is going to take 10%. You can say you are going to, the charge is going to be 20%. So you see, charge can be 20%. So when they come to you and you probably make the charge of 20,000 naira, so this platform is going to take 10% of 20,000 naira, and that should be, let's do the calculation. So let me come to my calculator here and just put 0.2 times 20,000 naira. So it means that you are actually making 2,000 naira, because this platform is going to take 10%. So 0.1 times 20,000 naira. So this platform is going to take 10% of 20,000 naira airtime, and that is 2,000 naira. Then you're also going to take your own 10%. That's also 2,000 naira, and it's very easy. All you have to do is, it's not something that is difficult at all. So what you have to do is just send them. So for example, let me just show you the full process here. Alright, so and again, you have to read through this form. So the first form is that you have to fill the first instruction that you have to fill the form correctly, and the second instruction that the minimum amount is 500 naira and the maximum is 5,000 naira. So you got price for MTN and 9 Mobile, then but for Glo, the maximum is 1,000 naira per transfer. This means that if that person make a charge mistake of 20,000 naira, for him to send it to you, the person will send it in 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira. So you got 4 places, so 5 times 4 is 20. So you will train 5,000 naira in 4 places. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. Alright, then the person must send the airtime to the number they're going to give to the person. So you got within 20 minutes. So if that person does not do 20 minutes, they're going to cancel the transaction automatically. And one other thing that you must notice is that this platform only convert transfer airtime. So no VTU. Do not try to send VTU, because ask your customer that hope it's not VTU, because if it's VTU, it will not be refunded. You just waste your card. But if it's bank transfer or somebody send airtime to you and something like that one is very easy. You can just convert it. But if it's VTU, virtual top up, it should not be converted. Hope you got that. So now, one other thing that you must notice is that you should not send airtime. Let's say for example, my own number that I make mistake is 11223, and the number you send to me is 456. If I make mistake in my own number, for example, and I decide to use another number instead of the number that I've used to register on this platform, automatically they will charge me extra 20%, because that's a mistake on my part. So you must tell your customer to be very careful. So all you have to do is just to come here. Let's say I'm going to select MTN. I'm going to put the phone number. That's my own, the customer's phone number. So you got the phone number that the airtime is on. You put it there. So let's say for example, I just put this phone number. Let's say this is my phone number. I just put this phone number. Then I'm going to put. Oh, sorry. This one is amount rather. Here is amount. So 20,000 naira. So you put the amount. That is 20,000. Right. So the amount that you transfer is 20,000 naira. Then this one you now put the number. So let me just pick one number here. So you're going to pick this number, any number. So that's going to be your customer's number. You tell your customer, please tell me the number that the airtime is on. So you tell them that. So when you give the number, you put the number here. You now click on agree and you click on submit. So when you click on submit, okay. Oh, sorry. You can see that the value here must be 5,000 naira. So not 20,000. The amount to convert the 20,000 naira, but the value you can actually convert per single transfer is 5,000 naira. So I have to turn it back to 5,000 naira. So it means that you have to do it 4 times. So you just come here and click on submit. So when you click on submit, it's going to take you to the next place, and this is the number I'm going to send it to. As you can see, please note we only accept airtime transfer, no VTU. So if you send VTU to them, it will not be credited. And this is the number I'm going to send. Now this number can change it. You can change it. So don't just send this. Don't just send airtime to this number. You have to first follow the process. Sometimes it might be another number that starts with 070. Sometimes another number that starts with 090. So it does depend on the one that this website will generate for you. So you got. So this is the number you will send to your customer. Now this is my own number in this case. So your own number may be different. So you got. So try to follow this process. So your number may be different. So for example, this is my own number. So I'm going to send this number to my own customer. So you got the customer with that phone number. I'm going to send this phone number to him. That customer will now transfer exactly 5,000 naira to this number within 20 minutes. So you got. So when they transfer you to this 20 minutes, within 20 minutes, you yourself on this dashboard, you are going to receive 4,500, because this platform is going to automatically remove 10% out of it. So the 10% of 5,000 naira is 500 naira. So you got. So if you do it like 4 times, so that they'll now have their own 2,000 naira, then you have your own 2,000 naira, because you tell your customer that the charges is actually 4,000 naira. So your customer is going to receive 16,000 naira as money into their bank account. Then while you are going to have your own money, of course. So you just send it to them, and that is automatically what they're going to do. Then you now press back. Now, how can you actually send the airtime to your customer? So I can send the money. So you just come back to your menu here. Then you come to your account. Okay, you click on my account. Okay, no, not frequently asked. You come here, just come down to my account, and you click on let's see, withdraw fund. So you click on withdraw fund. Alright, so when you click on withdraw fund, all you have to do is basically simple. So these are some of the funds I've withdrawn. So you can see actually withdraw how much is this? 17,990, and that is a week ago. So literally all you have to do is you're going to put your phone number. I will advise you to put your own phone number in registration. You know when you're registering, so you can put it here to add phone number for withdraw. Just click on click here. You now add your own phone number. Don't add your customer phone number now. You add your own phone number because you want to have a receipt. If you add a customer phone number and you send your customer may even lie to you that they've not received and whereby they have received it, and that become a problem to you. So you have to be very careful. So you add your own your own account number here, and the minimum you can withdraw is 3,500. So please, when you are converting, convert from airtime of 4,000 naira above. So you got so because some people come and meet you and say, okay, I have to convert 100 naira. People are 4,000 naira. So tell them that the minimum you can convert is 5k and above. Don't worry, people will certainly come to you because people make a lot of mistake of such. So you got so you just press the amount. Let's say for example, you have done the conversion, they have removed their whole money. Now it now remain 18,000 naira out of the money. So all you have to do is just press the 18,000 naira here. So when you pay 18,000 naira, they're going to deduct 15 naira from it as bank charges. Instead of you putting 18,000 naira, you can now press 19,950. So when you put 19,950 here, so you do 17,950. Just withdraw it. It now come to your account like this. So you can see my own. This money is 18,000 naira, but actually withdraw 17,950. So that one charges is 15 naira. So the charges total is now 18,000 naira. So you got. And to my own account, it became successful. So just withdraw to your account. Then from your own bank account, you now transfer it to your customer's account. Share your gap. It's very simple. Now, one thing to also note is that some customers may want to scam you. You know, they don't want to scam. They'll tell that they've already transferred the airtime. Can you not see it? So ensure that when your customer is transferring the airtime to that number, probably you are chatting with them on Facebook or WhatsApp, tell them to send a screenshot of the transfer message to you, and also that you also send a message that MTN or any network that they are sending, and any network they are using, it's going to send to them that probably this is a successful transfer. And they also send it to you. This is going to authentify you that actually do it. And if there's any mistake, you can now send that number to the customer care number of this platform. So if you need the customer care number of this platform, just let me know. I'm going to give it to you. So ladies and gentlemen, if you follow every process I've shown in this video, it is certain that with MTN or 9mobile or Glo, you can be able to make tangible amount of money online. So if you have gotten value in this video, kindly like this video, because when you like this video, it enables more people to be able to see this video. And comment below if you have any problem whatsoever. You can comment. So the first step is that I'm going to put a link below where I'm going to watch how you can activate your account. So when you have finished watching how you can activate the account, you now come back to this platform here and learn how you can actually convert and begin to make money. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video and you have yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. For I make video on how you can make money online and everything that surrounds business, how to be more profitable in your business. So my name is Daniel Adeoboye and I love you so much. Kindly subscribe if you're here to subscribe, and if you have subscribed, thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you. So now that you have learned how you can actually convert airtime and make money, so let me now show you how you can actually push yourself. So then I'm logging back into the platform. So this is where we stop initially. So I want to show you how you can actually market it. So the platform you can use to market your services, you can use Facebook, of course, you can use WhatsApp. So our advice is to actually use WhatsApp. All you have to do is just to create a graphic, a very simple graphics that you can convert airtime to cash. Very simple. So let me show you an example of the one I'm using. So this one I created by myself. I created using my smartphone also, of course. So please have bill. I created this one by myself. So as you can see, convert airtime to cash within 5 minutes. And I put my phone number to be very big. You can see that my own service itself is very big. But if you cannot create this by yourself, you want me to be able to create it, I'll only collect 500 now from you. I'm going to create something very similar to this. So you get. So if you want me to actually help you to create your own graphics, just a basic graphics like this, very simple graphics like this, within just 30 minutes, I'll create it and send it to you. I'm going to just message me on WhatsApp. So I'm going to put the link below where you can actually click on and message me on WhatsApp. I'm going to create a very simple graphics for you like this, your own color, based on your color, anything you want me to do. I'm going to put it there, 500 naira, and just one, not that I'll create one and I say you want to create again. Something very similar to this. So exactly like this. Let me do something exactly like this. There must be a very slight difference. So you grab. So I don't, so that it will not be that you now turn me to something like I can create this, move this, add this. So you want something very similar to this, exactly very similar to this. So you now use this as your marketing material. Actually use it to create a Facebook ad. You see, people are making mistake a lot, and you see people, you see the turn up. You'll be so amazed with the turn up, very amazed with the turn up. So you got. If you want something very similar, just message me. I'm going to create this for you with just 500 naira. So you got, maybe you pay 500 naira, I'll do it for you and I'll send it to you. So if you want something, and all you have to do is just put it on Facebook status, tell your friends to put it on Facebook status, send it to all Facebook group, Facebook group, WhatsApp status rather. Tell your friends to also put it on WhatsApp status, then send it to all WhatsApp group, WhatsApp contact. Put some little tests that if anybody that make mistake, you can help them to convert it back to airtime within just few minutes. Just you see people coming to you and you see yourself making cool money. So it's important now that you have gotten the business idea. It is also very important you tell people about the business. So it's important you create a graphic, a very basic graphic like this. So if you want me, it's not compulsory, but if you want to help to create it, also fast track your processes of making money, you can just message me. I'm going to put the link to below. You can message me with just 500 naira. I'm going to help to create this basic graphics. So you got very basic graphics, and as I've said earlier, I will only create something like similar to this, no difference. And if they're going to be any different, it's going to be a very slight different. Not that you now tell me, yeah, put the mouse to stop smiling. No. So you grab. So if you let something like this, just let me know. I'm going to do it for you. So all you have to do is just to share these flyers and put some text. Of course, put some text under that. Okay, you can help them to convert their airtime to cash, and they should not worry again. You are here. You have the solution. This and that. And one thing about it is that when one person begin to help you, and when one person markets you, and you have helped that person to convert it, that person is going to bring another person. Literally, I only helped 2 people, and those people I've helped, they have been up to like 10 people to me, and it's just amazing. Anytime I'm trying to run out of cash, they just come to me. I do that conversion, I make my money. So ladies and gentlemen, this is very important. Okay, if you have gotten value in this video again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are yet to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I love you. So if you want to help to create this type of graphic design, just message me below. I'll put the link to where you can message me directly on WhatsApp. When you message me directly on WhatsApp, strictly for this, not for any other thing. So you grab strictly for this, then you're going to just send 500 naira. I will design it for you and I'll give it to you back, and you're going to make your money. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I look forward to see you in the next video.